Hi there. So basically this is converting from the regular size trays to the small trays. So the first thing you want to do, these are your sleeves, they're obviously smaller. So you end up needing to take them, you put them up, load them as normal. But what you end up doing, see the way they're not going to reach? You basically need to loosen this, push down until it's up top. And then do that. While you're getting these in, you just want to ensure that it's in all four of these little clips, because without it to do is move the tray in further. You'll see here at the moment there's a black vacuum one after resetting the machine. Pick sleeve, allow rotate, which then pulls it out. Single rotate, which rotates at once. You then move it to the right quite nicely. So you've got a good opening there. Now, you have a smaller tray. What you then do, just to confirm before you start the run, is you take a smaller tray. You just see, is that going to fit in nicely? And yes, that's not bad. And it's holding, see the way it's not moving? It's put down the middle baffle. And all you're looking for here is what's my contact like for pushing the tray through. This one's too far in, so it's just being... Leave soon.